Good morning, it's Kathleen, and today we're going to the Goodwill bins. Well, first we're gonna go drop off my dog's poop at the vet, but then we're gonna go to the bins. Let's go. Don't mind if I do. If you've never been to a Goodwill outlet, or the bins as it's called, it's a little bit different from your normal thrift store. Everything is sold by the pound, and you just dig through these mountains of items and hope you strike gold. A couple things to note about the bins. One, it is really loud in there. It kind of sounds like a construction site, so I recommend wearing headphones and just going into your own little world. Two, you might want to wear gloves. A lot of people do. You really don't know what you're going to find in here. I've personally never found anything too nasty, but I've heard horror stories for sure. Third, there's definitely an etiquette to the bins. If you're new there, just kind of watch what other people are doing. Don't get in anybody's way. And when they start to roll the bins away or roll the bins in, don't touch them. They will yell at you. Okay, on with the show. I feel like these would make such cute shorts. What a fun color combo. Tiny pants, tiny glove, oven mitt. I'm tempted. I have found so many little vintage shorts in like every color of the rainbow. I'm wondering, because they've all been too small for me so far, but if I get some, maybe some of y'all would want them. Maybe I'll put them on my Poshmark for like virtually free. So I'll let you in on my technique for looking through the bins. I'll usually try and find one that no one else is looking in. I often find that people aren't really looking for the same stuff that I am, so I'm not too worried if it's been picked over. Find a lonely bin, and then I will basically pile everything on one side in a giant mountain so that there's empty space on one side and a mountain on the other, and then slowly just sort that mountain into the empty space, looking through everything as I go. This way you can find all the goodies that are at the bottom that no one ever looks at, and make sure you see everything that there is to see. You really never know. I can't stress this enough. You never know what you're gonna find. This is you, about to subscribe to my channel. Kashi, come on, you're the subscribe button. Come here. Boop. I'm back. And with one trip to the Goodwill bins, I snagged 2 tank tops, 1 button-up shirt, 1 graphic tee, 3 pairs of vintage shorts, 2 pairs of vintage pants, 1 jacket, 1 pair of Nikes, and a beach towel. Now how much would you reckon that all cost? Get a number in your head? All of these items added up to a grand total of $10.16. Yeah. That's wild. I was expecting at least, I don't know, I was thinking like $18 at least at a normal thrift store. This would be $30, $40 perhaps. Even at a fast fashion retailer, all of this would be much more expensive than that. I should probably get this stuff in the wash. Now, usually in my thrift with me's, once I get home, I style everything and show you the outfits and the video is done. However, this video is going to be a little bit different. Since I found all of these amazing vintage shorts at the bins and none of them fit me, I decided that I would make some shorts for myself using this towel. So while everything else is in the wash, I'll get started on the shorts, and I regret laying on these clothes with my human body before they've been washed. Too late now, onward and upward. Good morning. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard of the brand Picnic Wear. They make amazing clothing items out of vintage towels, among other things. I love what they make. I love the whole ethos behind the company, very sustainable, very artsy, and they're a bit spendy, which makes sense because they are one of a kind, filled with love items. So while I don't really feel like dropping $200 on shorts right now, I do feel like dropping my own blood, sweat, and tears into making some shorts out of this towel. So first things first, this is not a tutorial. I'm not a professional sewist, so I'll provide some links down below, I guess, of short making tutorials, but literally all I'm gonna do is copy these shorts and try and make it with a towel. What I really wanted was to make like boxing style shorts or like Muay Thai shorts with the really thick waistband and the little short legs. But it turns out when you look up how to make boxing shorts on the internet, everyone thinks you want to make boxers. I'm sure I could find a tutorial if I really tried, but does it look like I'm really trying today? I'm laying on the ground filming a video. So since it's not a tutorial, I will treat you to a very peaceful montage with just a touch of chaos. Keep you on your toes. Let's go. Y'all are not gonna believe it, or maybe you are gonna believe it. I just sewed the wrong side together. Oh no. No. Ay, Dios mío. Okay, took them apart, put them back together. They're looking so cute and a little bit boxing short-esque, I think because of the color palette and that little band at the bottom. I need to put the elastic in the waistband, but let's do that now and then we can do the reveal.
It's arson.
I am pleased with my towel shorts. Initially, my goal was to have the alternating colors, which I have, but also to have these little bands going across both legs. Turns out, towel wasn't big enough, so I incorporated that little band in the back pocket. It's so cute, and it fits my phone perfectly. Are these as nice as the picnic wear shorts? No, but they are filled with love, which I'm sure theirs are too, but it's my love from me. One thing I quickly realized about these shorts is that I think more clothing items should be made out of towels, because when you wash your hands, you can just go dry. I mean, we all do that anyways, right? I love them, and I think I'm gonna make a matching pair for Gus. Okay, let me show you what else I got. You might be thinking, well, that's a nice, boring black skirt. Way to go, Kathleen. And you would be wrong. It's pants, baby. And they fit just so right. They're also a little bit fancy to have a nice little pleat going down the front, some belt loops for a cute little belt moment. And I feel like all of my other wide leg roomy black pants have just been leading up to this moment. Score of the century. I also got a cute little silky button up that I think would look really nice with this, maybe for more of a date night look, so let's try that now. Ooh, got a little chocolate and black pinstripe moment. I don't know about you, but this is giving me rich auntie vibes, complete with a little leather kitten heel sandal moment and a little fake Burberry that I thrifted moment. I think this would also be cute just tucked in, so let's go ahead and try that. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Business clown, reporting for duty. Sir, sirs, ma'ams, mummies. All right, up next, is this thing on? Up next, I just have this little vintage cami, very simple, very basic. A couple videos ago, I was looking for a summer wardrobe, like tank tops and basics and stuff like that, and I ended up just getting a bunch of vests and a tennis outfit and a corset, so it wasn't very basic, so I kind of filled that void with this cute little like crochet detail in the front. It's a little bit cropped, which is perfect, and I also got a black tank top, so let's try that on now. Just got this little ruchy kind of halter neck tie-up moment. Cool, on to the next. Okay, this is the last thing I picked up for myself, a little Iron Pony t-shirt. I don't know if the Iron Pony is a regional thing or like an Ohio thing or if it's national, so do y'all have Iron Pony Motorsports where you come from? They do that commercial that's like, get to the Iron Pony. I love the illustration style. It's like almost comic booky. That means we could color it in if we want to. You know, I'm on a bit of a coloring on my clothing spree. If you haven't seen the doodle jacket video, go watch it. But wouldn't it be kind of fun to treat this like a coloring book and just color it? Is that a bad idea? Tell me in the comments. It's big, it's comfy, it's badass. Okay, the rest of the stuff I got was for other people, including you, so let's head back inside. And now for the things I got that are not for me. Where am I? Oh. Just a cootiest patootiest little black denim shearling jacket. Oh. That my little nephew's just gonna look so baller in. Oh wait, a thing that was also for me, and the thing I'm kind of most excited about. I found a bunch of really nice hangers. I've literally been covered in hair, just ruined with hair. Finally, the moment that you may have been waiting for. I don't know what you're thinking. My loot pile of vintage neon shorts. It's orange, blue, and purple. They're all slightly different, and I think they're all around the same size. I would guess that these are like a modern 2. They look really tiny up top, but they are super high-waisted. I'll provide measurements, of course, since they don't fit me, but I thought one of y'all might enjoy them. I'm gonna put them up on my Poshmark for virtually free. You just have to pay for shipping. And all I ask is that you send me a pic of the outfits that you style with it, and I can go, ooh, 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 I can hype you up. It's my favorite thing to do. So I'll put my link to my Poshmark in the description. Go click it at your leisure. And while you're down there, if you're not subscribed, you wanna click the subscribe button too? I mean, I feel like we've become friends over this video, so I'm hoping you feel the same, and maybe we can hang out again sometime. All right, I think that's it for my haul. What I thought would be really fun, since I got all of this for $10, I wanted to add up what they would cost if I bought them new right now. And we can have a little wowie wow moment. So let me get my calculations, and let's do some number crunching. Did you ever play that game on the PC, Number Crunchers? It's really fun. Okay. Up first, we have little smocked American Eagle tank top. It's on sale for like 17 bucks, 30 bucks originally. Score. Next up, this cutie cami. Found something similar on Free People, I think. 48 bucks. And this is vintage. Score. Graphic t-shirts. Found something similar on Princess Polly. 46 bucks. Big old score. Onto the shorts. So Everlane makes a similar like high-waisted kind of vintage cut short, but they're not in these neon colors, and Everlane's are $60. So I found some vintage high-waisted, specifically neon shorts on Depop, and they were around like 40, 50 bucks a pop. Gus is playing video games. Score times 3 for you. Velvet pants that I'm currently wearing. You can get them at like PacSun, Free People, Urban Outfitters. I found some at PacSun by Free People, and they were like 60 bucks. Originally like 90. Wild. And I think these are vintage. The tag is really old. Score! Score! All right, jacket. I don't think it's on the website anymore for Zara, but I found something similar that was 40 bucks, but it was marked down half price because it is the middle of summer, but I probably got it for 90 cents. Score. What's next? What's next? Nike Fly Knits. I really like the colorway on these guys. They're a little bit older, but I like them for kind of just dinking around the garden and when I have to run outside and go on a dog walk. These are perfect. I found them anywhere online between like $45 and $100, so we'll say 60. Does that sound fair? And that's 30 bucks per shoe. Have you ever thought about that? Score. And finally, the star of the video, the towel shorts. I found a towel that's similar at Five Below for $5, so we'll just say $5. Which, if we're considering this a dupe for the picnic wear shorts that are like 200 bucks, that is a score. Scores upon scores upon scores in this video. And when we add all of that up, drumroll please. Are you doing the drumroll? Thank you. That brings us to a total $445. Woo! The rush you get when you get a good deal. It's unmatched. Now I know the last couple Thrift With Me videos I've been pretty clear on saying like I'm trying to be very cognizant of what I'm bringing into my home, really curating things down, and then I'm over here talking about getting a runner's high from getting a good deal. I know there's a bit of a disparity there, but all the items that I got are either items that I need and have been looking for, especially those hangers, and things for other people, like the jacket for my nephew, and the shorts for y'all. All I can say is, I am so pleased with what I found at the bins, and I'm wondering, have you ever been to the Goodwill bins? Does it sound like a good time to you? Personally, it's not my favorite place to go because I find it a bit stressful, because people can get a little bit intense. So for me, it's like a once a quarter type of activity, you know? It's about all I can handle. Let me know down below if you've ever been, what your best score from the bins has been. And like I mentioned before, if you enjoyed this video, if you want to spend more time with me in the future, feel free to subscribe if you'd like. Down below I post every week. It's usually thrifty, it's usually artsy, and also usually a pretty good time. If you simply cannot wait until next week for more of my content, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok at kathleenillustrated, and you can also watch this video or check out this playlist. With that, I will say farewell. I love you, hope you have a great week, and I love you again. Okay, bye!